guys, so follow up to my last video, the Freedom Strings custom Flo-Green on the RX5 have been installed. I'm gonna get my sight dialed back in, see where it's at. Traditionally it's been about 10 yards low after an install of these particular strings, which makes moving my sight tape really easy. So we're going to see where we're at. I'm going to start off at the 30-yard pin at 20 yards and see where I end up. These are 540 grain Easton FMJ 4mm injections. They're a little heavy. That is money. A 30-yard pin or 30-yard marker at 20 yards. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel that tape and I'm going to run it down, put my 20 on my 30-yard mark, and I'm going to work my way back from there. String install and retune video. Very simple. Does that method work every single time? No, it's not going to work every single time, but if you know your string builder, if you're using the same strings, I've been shooting Freedom Strings for 5 seasons now, and I know what to expect from my string builder. They're very consistent, and the way they build the strings and their algorithm, I know that my strings or that my arrows are going to drop about 10 yards once I install these strings. So re-sighting my tape is very easy. Again, will that happen every single time? Probably not, but it's a place to start if you're shooting the same brand religiously, and I shoot Freedom Strings religiously. Shoot what you want, shoot what works for you, and good luck out there in 2021.